Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can send a receipt or an invoice through Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, once you're on your Shopify web store dashboard, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into orders. Now, if you don't have a premium plan, this screen will appear, but it really doesn't matter. You do not need a premium plan for this. What you're going to want to do once you go here is go into drafts, and then you can click create a draft order. Then you can add products if you already have them on your site, or you can add custom items. It really doesn't matter what you do, and click add item, and that's going to add the item. It's going to add the price, the subtotal, and the tax as well. And now what you're going to want to do to send the receipt or the invoice is just click send invoice, and that's going to open up this pop-up window. Here you're going to need to enter your email address of the person receiving that invoice, and you're going to name the subject however you want. You can also create a custom message if you want, and you can also allow customers to apply discount codes while paying the invoice. Really doesn't matter, but once you enter all the information that is needed, then you can just click review invoice and then send the invoice afterwards, and that is pretty much it. Now, I won't be doing anything of the sort since that wouldn't be a real invoice, so I'm just going to delete this draft order. But in essence, that is pretty much all you need to know and all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.